Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the issue of no sounds during calls on Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. First of all, of course, check the volume level using the volume buttons and try to increase the volume level. Also, we can access the volume mixer in here, and you'll be able to check your call volume and adjust it by moving this slider to the right to increase it. So try to adjust the call volume in here, and hopefully this itself will resolve your issue. But if it doesn't, then also disable Bluetooth to make sure that your sound isn't rerouted to one of your Bluetooth devices. And besides, clean your earpiece or your speaker grills using a soft brush. So your earpiece is located right here, right above your device's frontal camera, and the grills are right here. Use a soft brush or a non-conductive pick or pin to remove any possible cloggage from there. And then try testing with another call, with another call or maybe another application like WhatsApp. And if the problem remains, hold down the power button for a while, select restart, and let your phone reboot, and then try checking once again. And if the problem didn't go away after your device has restarted, as a last resort, we can reset network settings on our smartphone. However, this will also affect your device's Wi-Fi networks by erasing passwords from to your Wi-Fi network, so you're going to have to re-enter them, and it will also unpair your currently paired Bluetooth devices. But to reset network settings, go to System, so expand the Advanced menu, and go to Reset Options, select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, then confirm twice and enter the password if prompted, and then try checking the sound volume, the call sound volume once again. And if at this point, if the problem remains, then this must be the hardware issue, and in such case you just have to get your smartphone repaired. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.